Hey guys, hey friends, how you all going? So it's Monday the 26th of February and today I'm doing a video on Bitcoin mining. So this is pretty much going to show you how to create a passive income through Genesis Mining, but we're going to use Swiss Gold Global as the vehicle. And the reason why is, so through Genesis at the moment, there's no Bitcoin contracts, okay? There's no Dash, it's no Ethereum, but Ethereum's not starting until the 30th of April, so that's probably no good. Litecoin, Monero, even Zcash, that's not starting until the 30th as well. So what I like to do, I like to use Swiss Gold Global. Been with Swiss Gold Global for about a year and, I don't know, a year and 2 or 3 months, something like that. Yeah, never missed it, never missed a payment. And obviously it's Genesis Mining, so they've got a partnership with Genesis Mining for the last year or so. And it's funny, it's like 2 million customers in Genesis Mining, yet they can't even purchase Bitcoin contracts, but yet we can, us at Swiss Gold Global, we can get it. So even though there's restrictions, so you just got to come in and do it from there. So like 0.2 gigahash is 35.80. So these have gone up since last, it used to be $30, but now it's 35. Just bear in mind, if you're looking for it, they're like contracts. This is the only, there's already been a pre-sale and they're going to start the next couple of days. So 20th of February, but then this is the second batch. So this starts the 15th of March. Now, when I used to do videos back then, like December, I actually refrained from adding on, but that's because I was going into ICO Gold Rush. Well, I'm in ICO Gold Rush. So I was concentrating on my efforts on accumulating my Ethereum so I could buy ICOs. So because I knew I could flip the ICOs quicker than the mining's going to pay me out, alright? So that's how I've just done it. It's just up to me. So I've got, I'll probably be buying another 1 or 2 terahash in the next couple of days. If you come in, let's just do it. So 5 is the maximum, I think, as a free member at a time, I think it is. That's what it's looking like here. So it'd be 845. So let's give you an example of what you can earn and how you can earn it. So we've got the calculator. So we've got 5 terahash. So yeah, so it's $4. So say $4 and $6 a day. Now that's not including the mining fees. So the mining fees is about let's go calculator. Mining fees is 0.28%. We use it as, so 406. Just going to write this down. 406 times 0.28 would be $1.13. So we take 406 minus $1.13 is $2.93 a day, right? Now if you times this by your 365, this is without any Bitcoin going up or down, alright? This is just going off today's value, which is 97. Over a year, you would have 1,069, so minus, what was it, 845, minus 845, that's $224 profit in your first year, okay? Now, obviously, Bitcoin's at half of what it was going into, well, even into January, right? So January was still up there, so up to 20 grand, 19 grand, something like that, right? Now, the odds are, this happens every year where this slumps. Bitcoin always has a drop. Now, be it Chinese New Year, everyone needs money after Christmas, whatever, alright? It's just the way it is, okay? Last year's done it, this year's done it, last year's done it, and the year before it's done it, okay? So don't be alarmed about the Bitcoin. Even the difficulty rate too, there's so many variables into this, but when I first started a year ago, whenever it was, 2017, it was like January 2017 or February, I only started with 5 terahash, same as what is, I didn't pay obviously 845, I paid like 7 something, but I've already been through, it's already paid back by miles because Bitcoin went up as I was going. When I first started, Bitcoin was only, I think it was only like $1,200 or something. So in reality, maybe I should have bought more Bitcoin back then and just sat on it till January and that, and then or December, then taking money out. But I've done it with mining. that's what I locked myself into, was doing it with mining, and that's how I've done it. And then obviously, yeah, it's already paid itself off. I think it was like 8 months already, because Bitcoin was going up so quick. So so as obviously Bitcoin rises, I rise, and I was compounding too. So obviously started with 5, but then got way more now. So way more terahash, because you're compounding it. But now it makes it harder to compound, because if you're going to keep doing the pre-sale like this, it's going to be hard to compound. Okay, so ideally you want to come in with fiat and do it that way. Okay, convert your fiat into your mining, and then build your Bitcoin up. The main thing is not even I don't even regard looking at the dollars, the fiat. I look at the bits, so bits of Bitcoin. But now at the moment too, I'm also jumping. What I've done for the last 2 or 3 months, instead of going for my Bitcoin, I've actually getting paid in my returns in Litecoin. So I'm trying to build my Litecoin up, because I just got this feeling Litecoin's going to be a 4-digit figure sometime this year. Now, be it June, December, whatever, and it could be 1,000, could be 5,000, could be whatever, So to me, Litecoin grew so much bigger than Bitcoin over the years. So, and I still think with LitePay coming in, even though Bitcoin's got the Lightning Network coming out, I still think Litecoin's going to definitely grow, definitely to that 4-figure mark. Now, Bitcoin, there's been a lot of forecasts. I mean, no one knows, okay? Ideally, we'd like to see it get back to 20 and then go from there. Really, ideally, we'd like to see it get to 12, then shoot its way up again. So, it's unpredictable what's going to happen. It's a risk. Everything's a risk. I mean, even the ICOs, Aussie ICOs as well, is a risk. Forex trading, same thing. It's all a risk. So it's up to you. But this gives you a return. So, like I said, I've been with Swiss for a year and a bit, and I've never had a problem with them. So, and then if you're into gold and silver, it's another good avenue to come in. So you can sign up as a free member, so you can still buy your contracts. This might be wrong, but I'm just trying to think if it's if you're limited as a free member, or this is the limit, 5 terahash. So I'm not sure. I have to check on that. But you can sign up as a free member. I've got a quick start website, so it's fastsgg.gr8.com. So pretty much it goes through, explaining how it works like I am now. Then I've also got how to set up your free account, how to complete your KYC forms, and how to purchase your Bitcoin mining packages. So, yes, if you want to come to this page, you click on, I'll leave a link in the description below, you click on the open free account, and you go from there. Yeah, and then I'll leave a link for the calculator as well. So you can play around with this. I mean, you can come in. Just bear in mind, like I said too, the contracts don't start until the 15th of March. Now, I did do videos months ago, but I thought it'd be pretty silly if you're just starting and you want to see a return straight away, you know what I mean? So obviously from now till that 15th, or let's say sell out, right? Then you're in real trouble. You're not going to be able to get it. But I like doing it when I know I'd like to bring in people, especially in something like this. I mean, you don't even have to bring in people. I haven't even bothered trying to bring in people to this, but I'm just showing you way how to get into the Bitcoin. If you want to get into Bitcoin, this is a good way of doing it. You get paid every day. Well, it depends on your limit, right? There's all different thresholds too, which I probably should show you. But that's yeah. So you just gotta, I don't know. You just gotta. I like bringing people in the things that are working, and it is working. But the thing is, you can't compound like I used to be. I used to be able to compound every day. So I was buying, even if it's just a 0.2 gigahash, which is your minimum, right? Your $35 something. So that's like, that's that. See. Now it's not earning you bugger all day. You see, the 0.2 is not even doing anything. Maybe 200. Is it 20 gigahash? Try to remember. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, it's 200 gigahashes, and then yeah, so it's like not even worth even bothering with 200 gigahash. So you want to come in, with at least, I'd say at least a terahash. To tell you how you want to set it. So it's up to, depends how you do it. You just got to remember that Bitcoin will go up. Okay, so it just depends how you want to do it, how you want to do your mining. And there's another thing I'm going to tell you about is there's so many garbage stuff out there. Yesterday I woke up, jumped on Facebook, and people are like, yeah, join this. I'm like, well, what? I mean, I knew this was coming. I mean, he started talking. This person was talking to me, and I knew what was coming. He's just gonna try and spill his bullshit on me. And then he's trying to tell me, yeah, join this. You know, I said to him, I'm with Swissquote Global and Genesis Mining, and then I just knew what was coming. Anyway, so I'm thinking, oh, what business is it going? Show me a link. Anyway, so as soon as I got to this, right, I'm just like, mining starter. So your minimum investment is 250, your maximum is 709, duration 300 days, but it's got lifetime contract. Yes, well, that's not a lifetime contract, 300 days, is it? So there's a red flag straight away. The other red flag is you get 1% daily. That's a red flag because in Bitcoin mining or any crypto mining, there's no guarantee of what you're getting. No one knows what the price of those coins are going to be, like especially Bitcoin. No one can sit there and say, yeah, Bitcoin will be 20 grand tomorrow, so you're going to earn, you know, we're guaranteeing you this every day. You know, it just doesn't make sense. It's just common sense, okay? Anyone that tells you you're getting a guaranteed return in mining is full of shit. It's simple as that. I don't mean to be a potty mouth or whatever, you know, but it's all full of shit, okay? Yeah, so this is all this investment garbage. I mean, come on, it doesn't work, all right? 1% a day. We all know all these programs, they're all bullshit, okay? So stay away from things like this. I mean, Genesis Mining is the biggest for a reason, and it's because, you know, and they are the biggest, all right? Simple, and they can't even guarantee you a return, okay? So that's what it comes down to. Swissquote Global's been around for nearly 10 years. 10 years. So, you know, and that's in the gold and silver part, and obviously this crypto part. Yeah, the crypto mining. They've been around for a while. Well, they've been part of Genesis for at least a year and a bit that I can remember when I started they all together. So, and Genesis Mining is giving Swissquote Global members only the opportunity to buy the mining, like not even their own customer base. So, yeah, it's a win-win. Okay, well, just like I said, limited Bitcoin mining pre-sale. They will start the 15th of March, and that's how it goes. Now, how long they're going to do another, if they do another pre-sale after that, I don't know. No one knows. Okay, and that's how it's going to work. So, like I said, I'll leave the fast start guide there for you if you want to have a look, and I'll leave the calculator there for you. And pretty much, guys, I just want to do video. I'm going to try and do videos every day. I mean, you're probably sick of hearing it, but I'm just trying to show you ways that you can do it. Now, obviously, mining, it can be a little expensive to get into. Even as a free member, too. You can start as a free member. If you bring other people in as a free member as well, I mean, you're getting 2.5%, all right, mining bonus power. So, you know, it's not bad, okay? I mean, even as an affiliate, I think you're getting 5%. So even if you want to do it that way, you can be a free member. I don't really care how you do it. You know, as long as you're earning, that's all I care about. You know, 2.5%. It depends what you come in with. I mean, obviously mine will grow as well, but I want yours to grow. You know, I want you to be getting an income as well, like a passive income as well. Not so much the fiat money, like I was saying. I think more the bits of Bitcoin or Litecoin or whatever you have, while you're doing it, okay? I mean, obviously, if Bitcoin goes up, I'll probably change. So at the moment, I'm building my Litecoin up. But then once Bitcoin if it gets back to 20,000, I'll probably change it back over. It depends. It depends on the circumstance at the time. If I want to build more Litecoin or whatever I want to build more Bitcoin. It depends on how I want to do it. But yeah, so I'll leave that with you too. So I'll leave the calculator there in the link below as well. And yeah, so what I want to do, I just want to get people that aren't into crypto. I want to get them into crypto. So Bitcoin Builder Direct. I mean, if you've already been on my channel, you'll see Bitcoin Builder Direct. Now it's a free way to get into earning some Bitcoin. Now it's not going to heaps. It's not going to make you rich or anything, but it'll give you those little bits and pieces of coin that you want, your big bits that you want to add up. That's the main thing. I don't even look at the fiat anymore. I just look at the bits of Bitcoin. And that's how I do it. So Bitcoin Builder Direct does pretty much, so you can come in, you can sign up. The links aren't out yet, so yeah, that's a problem there. But what you can do is just message me on, connect with me on Facebook if you're interested in BBD. Oh, even if you've got any questions about this too, you can just message me as well on Facey. I don't mind talking to anybody that needs help or has any questions. Yeah, so BBD, so you get a chance to come in every day. You can spin the wheel. You can win Bitcoin. free advertising. So if you're already into other businesses, you can win advertising on the site. It's going to be a lot of traffic to this site once it starts. So that's another thing there. And you got the chance to win the $200 free account. Now they reckon, the admin reckons at the moment, once it starts, so hopefully about 2 or 3 weeks, their goal is to try and bring in at least one person a day. Now it doesn't seem like much because it's an open and shut system. Okay, so but as it builds over the next couple of months, there'll be more and more people coming in, so or getting free accounts. So you just got to bear with me. It's not, you're not just going to sign up and get an account straight away. Okay. If you're lucky enough and you hit the winning spin, good, good on you, but you might be spinning for a while, okay? Because there's a lot of attention on this, because it's, you're getting a free way to jump in and to earn with a free $200 account. So for that video, yeah, one more information about BBD. I got a video previously. I'll probably leave a link, maybe in the after, the videos after this video. Then you got the Swiss, you got the mining, Bitcoin mining, so that's my middle of the range. And then I've got ICO Gold Rush, which is my, private community for ICOs. Now I've been at just over 3 months, and yeah, it's going well. So obviously Monday too, we've got our weekly webinar tonight, so I'm looking forward to that. And then other than that, guys, I've got videos galore on ICO Gold Rush on my channel. You can have a look. Like I said, but anyway, guys, if you've got any questions, feel free to message me on Facebook. So send me a friend request and message me so I can know, or just wave at me. That's how I know, through Messenger. And yeah, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike it, get a thumbs down. Either way, it doesn't worry me. I just want to help people. I'm trying to help people, trying to help myself as well, obviously. I'm not going to beat around the bush. Let's see how it works. And other than that, guys, yeah, leave a comment if you want any more information, if you like the video. And other guys, I'll see you on my next video tomorrow, hopefully with some results of BBD's next payout. So I'm pretty sure today or tomorrow. So yeah, if it comes through, I'll definitely be showing you. So we'll go from there. Alright guys, see ya.